Hello, welcome to Fabric Friday. My name's Liz. If this is the first time you've been here, another piece backing. This quilt I made with the square inside. It used up. Well, I used 18 2.5-inch strips, but I had quite a bit left over, quite a bit. So I made the piece border as well, and I've still got a load left. But I made 10 of these squares and I only used 9 in the top. So this other one I'm going to actually use in the backing, and it's going to be totally pieced because of this square. I've got some of this fabric, but obviously not enough for the whole of it. So I'm going to basically surround this, put that on either side of it, and it'll be a strip. So I'll get started on figuring that out now. So there is the backing I've just done. I've just hung it up there so I could show you. So I'm going to take it off, give it a good press, and then pin baste it. And I'll show you when I'm doing my pin basting. Oh, I need my table sorting out, so it means I need a good tidy up in here of fabric. So this is how I am pin basting on my cutting table. Now, there's always bits of threads. Luckily I've got scissors on me. Hang on. That. Oh, it's come out. Right. I have already put in 3 pins because that is where my patchwork is at the back. So I can keep that straight-ish going down. And what I'm going to do now I've gone as far as I can do on my table with those 3, I'm just going to pin every few inches, if I can get it through. You can tell I'm not used to this. I've had me long on for a couple of years. But I used to do them on my extending dining room table. But I've no longer got that table, so I can't do it on them. So I'm just going to carry on like this. Get some in there. But it's just very hot at the moment. So I turn my fan off while I'm recording, but I need it back on. So I'm going to spend a little while just pin basting this one ready, because as I said, this one is going to get done on my domestic sewing machine. So I'll show you when I'm all set up ready for this. Now you can probably see I've got it all pin basted and it's all across my cutting table. Behind it is my embroidery machines, well, one of the embroidery machines. I've got my old Necky sewing machine out. It's got an 11-inch throat space, and I used to do all my quilting on this because I can't really get used to the bonnet at the moment, and I've got a lot of quilting to do. So it's all ready now. Just got to clean the machines and get them ready. Thank you for spending time with me, and I hope this has helped somebody. Thank you. Bye.